Hi, thanks for joining. Today we're going to take a test flight with my MJX RC Bugs 16 Pro drone. This is going to be footage that is completely raw from the camera on the drone. I do have a recording card in it, so this is not video that is downloaded to the phone. I have not done any stabilization, no color shifts, nothing. This is the default settings on what they report to be a 4K camera on this drone. From some of my initial recordings, it doesn't quite seem to be 4K to me. I am going to do some side-by-side comparisons with some other cameras that I have and take a comparison shot to take a look at this. They advertise it as 4K. It is on a 3-axis gimbal with electronic image stabilization built in, but even here you can see on a pretty calm day in Tennessee, there is still a fair amount of camera shaking, even though the pictures are pretty far out onto the horizon. So overall, this drone, while not perfect, you do get what you pay for. This was under $300 and I bought it from Banggood. Came in just 2 weeks. So I'm satisfied with the drone so far. You can pick out some details at various aspects of the screen, small cars out in the distance moving, but it just doesn't quite seem to be a truly 4K camera in my opinion. But overall, this is what the image looks like. Just thought I'd throw this up here as a test, let people see what the camera looks like. As stable as possible on pretty much a calm day, very, very light wind, so it's not really getting blown around by the weather at all. So let me know what you think in the comments below. I'm going to do some more test footage and do some side-by-side comparisons to some other cameras that I have and see if we can really determine if this is 4K or maybe something less. Thanks for tuning in. Consider subscribing. Have a great day.